Hi everyone, welcome back to Bling Girl's channel. I'm her husband Ellie, and I have my Drape fit. Let's see which one it is. Hold on, I forgot. There you go. My 16th. Alright, so I'm just gonna tell you what you got with this. No, I'm not. Hi everyone, welcome back to Bling Girl's channel. I'm here with my 16th Drape fit. If you don't know what Drape fit is, it's a styling service. You go online on their website, you choose a style profile of your likes and dislikes and your sizes and your budget. And they curate 5 items and send them to you in the mail for you to try on in the comfort of your own home, as I'm doing today. I'll be right back. If you want to try Drape fit, there's a $25 credit pinned in the comments for you to try Drape fit for the first time. Okay, I'm going to read the stylist note from my stylist, Paulette. It says, I chose mix and match colors, staples for your personalized fit box. I picked one Nautica black casual short sleeve t-shirt, which I'll be showing all of them, of course. One casual blue short sleeve shirt for your perfect summer to fall transition look. These staples will be easy to pair with my gray basketball shorts from the fit box. I also chose one olive green casual tee and black printed shorts for your casual look. She says, I hope you'll enjoy to try all styles and love your fit box. All right, so that was Paulette. She's usually the one that curates my boxes, and she does a great job. I'll be right back with a try on. All right, so I'm wearing a couple of things now. I'm wearing this short sleeve button down shirt, sky blue. It's only $34.99. And I'm wearing my green extra large men's t-shirt. It's only $20. And my men's athletic shorts. I'm going to have to move this down, guys. There you go. I like them. They're nice and light. I mean, I'll wear these in the fall. I don't know about you, but I like wearing stuff like that in the fall. All right, I'm back to normal. If you know. Okay. All right, so that's what I'm wearing here. Again, that was a short sleeve button down shirt for $34.99. My extra large green shirt, t-shirt, $20. And the gray athletic shorts, which I really like. I actually like everything. Okay, I'll be back with 2 more things. Okay. All right, so now I'm styling. No, I'm kidding. All right, so I'm wearing the Nautica shirt, which is a crew neck short sleeve t-shirt is how they have it listed, for $29.50. Extra large. And I have printed swim shorts. Yes, it's fall, but you know, they're great. So I guess might even have a better price in the winter. I mean, the fall. $28.99 only. And I had to bring the camera down again. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place today. But that's my wife. I'm all over the place every day. No, I really like these. I can almost see them with these glasses on. They're reading glasses, guys. No, I actually like those. I didn't think I would. Looks good on camera, I mean, so looks good on me. There you go. I'll be right back to wrap it up. All right, so I have a total price here of $149.98. Purchase all discount 25%. That means if you get the whole box, they give you 25% off, which makes it $112.48. And since I'm an influencer with them, they give me $20 more off, so that makes it $92.48 for me. Don't forget that link pinned in the comments. There's going to be a $25 credit if you want to try Drape fit for the first time. And if you like content like this, like and subscribe. And my wife will be doing most of the videos, of course. And have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.